Hey y'all, it's your girl Joe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn post notification bells on. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's poppin', sis? You already know what it is. Thank you for coming back. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about this really cute fire hair. And yeah, so if you want to know all the deets about this hair, then keep on watching. So this is how the box comes. It's from Hairsmarket, and on the back you have some hair care instructions, which I think is really cute and convenient. Now when you open it, you get a little pamphlet that says Hairsmarket, spend less, shop better, and it just shows the types of hair they sell, how to care for it, and how to do returns and all of that. Then they gave me the cutest little Christmas hat, a wig cap, and some lashes, and of course your wig. So this wig is 24 inches and it is pre-highlighted, which is new for me because usually I color my wigs myself, but when I seen they had this one that's already colored, I was like, yes, let me try this out. And off the bat, I feel like the color job is decent, and the color job. So guys, this is the wig. I just took it straight out the packaging and pop it onto my head, and I love it. Like, I love it so far. I can't wait to install it. So it is a T-part unit, so it literally just a middle part, and then it has like a little lace on the side, which I'm not even gonna be bothered with in this video. I'm just gonna rock it with just the middle part straight down. And yeah, the color job is pretty decent. It's kind of harsh in some areas, but for a pre-highlighted wig, this is great. Usually colored wigs come with a bunch of flyaways and it's very dry, but this is actually super soft, and I'm literally just raking my hands through it. No shedding, no tangling. Like, love it. First impressions, y'all did that, Hairsmarket. So yeah, I've been wanting to try this look for a minute. So yes, let me just show you guys how I put it on and all of that stuff. I can't stop running my hands through it. It's just like butter, like wow. And it comes this straight out of the package, but however, I will be flattening it out some more. So yeah, knock knock, who this? Beyonce. Period. So I just went and grabbed my scissors. I'm just going to cut the lace off. I'm doing this off my head just because I can see better, especially when recording. So literally, I'm just gonna be cutting the lace like so, just so it's like not even. Just doing it very jagged. And that's just what I'm gonna do to both sides. Just like a jagged motion. The lace is all cut, and this is how it looks like on the inside. So it's a T-shaped wig with a 6-inch parting space. It has an adjustable strap, as well as the elastic band that is attached directly onto the wig, and it has 2 combs on each side, so one over here, and one in the back. So this wig should be pretty secured. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foundation powder and just color. The powder that I'm going to be using is my Lancome Dual Finish, and it's in the color 460 Suede. So I'm just going to get this onto my brush, and then I'm just going to brush it in the inside just to make sure that the lace is matching with my complexion. As you can see, the lace looks a lot better now that I have added the powder. I'm going to do that along the sides, down the middle, and then I'm going to go ahead and add that to my wig cap, just in the center where the wig is going to be, like so. Like, some people would do the ball cap method, but I'm not about that life no more, because just know I don't have all that time when your wig can look just as good without doing all that extra shit. So yeah, now I'm just going to put this back onto my head. Listen, already this wig is looking super fly. I'm just gonna fix the back. So this wig fits very snug, which I appreciate, because I like when my wigs are fitting well. Literally, you can wear this glueless just like this. Like, I don't even have a mirror right here. Like, to be honest, I have no mirror. So this wig is just so simple and easy to apply. So this is me just brushing through it. And yeah, and literally I have no makeup on. Well, you can definitely see that I have no makeup on. I'm in my zone, badish. I'm in my zone, badish. Well, obviously you can pluck the sides and glue it down like so, but this is cute. And I literally just cut the layers, add the foundation, and put it onto my head. Like, Beyonce who? I'm just playing, but yeah. So I'm gonna secure it. This is just showing you guys how it looks like fresh out the box with just the lace cut. So I'm only gonna be securing this middle part right there. So I'm gonna be taking this hairspray. This is what I've been using to secure all my wigs. Lace fronts, 360s, whatever, closures. This hairspray, it is from Kafuni Hair. It's called Melt Me Down. Sorry. And it is amazing. It dries super quick, no residue, like thebomb.com. Ever since she sent me this like a year ago, I've been using it ever since. So this is what it looks like. I'll have her information linked below in the description box, so you guys should definitely try this out, because this is my go-to, my ride or die for wigs. So just take a picture of the bottle. It also comes with a remover. So yeah, as I said, Kafuni Hair. And yeah, so I'm just gonna spray this onto it. So super easy. It dries in like less than a minute without a blow dryer. And that's literally all I'm gonna be using. And then I'm gonna just tie my hair down with this scarf. Like so. I'm in my zone, badish. I'm in my zone, badish. So I'm just gonna leave that to set, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then so I'm back, guys, face and all. So this is the finished product. This is how the unit looks like after I've laid it down, and I did some baby hairs off camera, but it's super easy. All I did was section a small part in the front and cut it, and just laid it with some Got2b glued. And I straightened the hair with my flat iron on about 390, and yeah, it straightens very nicely. I love the color, And yeah, usually pre-highlighted units are a mess, and this one is very soft, okay, and it is pretty full all the way to the ends. I haven't received any shedding or tangling, so that is a plus for me. And also, this is a T part, so I believe I showed you guys the construction of the cap and everything like that previously. So what I would say is, if you're a beginner, I would not recommend you trying to lay this wig on yourself, unless you're just going to be cutting the lace, doing just a simple middle part, no baby hair or nothing. So if you want to do baby hairs and all of that, I would say have it done by a professional, because it will be super easy to mess the hair up since the lace is so limited on this unit. But besides that, I love the hair. It's super cute. I love it. Okay guys, like, I would definitely recommend this hair. I would buy this hair with my own money. So yes, I'll have all the information on this unit linked in the description box below, so please be sure to check that out. And if I have a coupon code, it will also be in the description box. So always check the description box for information. My description box is always full. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends, and yeah, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.